All right, I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic time on your Android phone. And we're going to do this on a couple different phones since the menus vary a bit between different brands. On a Samsung phone, go to Settings, then scroll down to General Management. From there, go to Date and Time, and you'll find a toggle for automatic date and time. Just toggle that off, and now it allows you to manually set your date and time, and it won't automatically change those during daylight saving shifts, etc. There's also a toggle below for automatic time zone, so if you don't want your time zone to change as you travel, you can disable that as well. If you're using something like a Google Pixel, Motorola, or similar phone, overall it's a similar process, just slightly different menus. On this Pixel, for example, I'll go to Settings, then scroll down to System, and there we have a menu for date and time. We'll go there, and similarly there's a toggle for automatic date and time. Just toggle that off, and now you can edit both the date and time manually. And just like Samsung, there's also a separate toggle for automatic time zone here. And that is how you turn off automatic time on your Android phone. Go ahead and click that like button if this video solved your problem, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.